Arian zero turn no start. This thing only has 96.5 hours. Customer says ran out of gas and it ain't started since. He done put a new carburetor, new fuel filter, new air filter, and the battery's dead, so got the jumper box on it. So I'm wondering why. He put a new fuel pump on it too, but I pulled the hose off of this fuel pump, y'all come look. And I started cranking over, not getting any fuel. So I says to myself, let's find out why. Did the hose come off in the tank? I don't know, so let me show you what it did. You know what I always say, careful visual inspection. T-Bone said so, huh? So I'm like, it cranks over, won't pump fuel. Let's put some air in the tank. We're gonna blow some gas out this bad boy. Is any gonna come out the fuel pump? Uh-oh, guess what I just saw with that careful visual inspection? He just put that brand new thing on there, cutoff valve, I don't know why. The company he bought the carburetor from, emailing back and forth and whatever, they said to put that on. You don't need it on one of these. This is not a gravity feed system, so it will not siphon fuel through. Anyway, if it's leaking gas, it can't suck gas because all the sucking's there. Let's put a new shutoff valve on it. All right, let's see if we can get this on there. I wouldn't have cut this hose. Really ought to just take it out and replace the hose, but we already got this situation, so this is what we're gonna do. Come out of there. That's junk. Pop this bad boy in. Here's a new one. And let's see if it leaks. Put some clamps up here. If you're sucking air, you ain't sucking fuel, are you? All right, right off the bat, let's go ahead and blow some air back in this tank. Did we fix it? Let's see if it's gonna come out the fuel pump. Well, the valve ain't leaking. Let's crank it over and see if she'll start sucking fuel. All right, here we go. Uh-oh, what? Let's go over here now, let's watch. Yep. That's what I'm talking about. Y'all ready to fire it up? Yeah, I ain't even gonna put the clamp on it yet. Wait, there's my pliers. Gonna be done with it. I just couldn't believe 95.5 hours. It's fixed. About to go tell you what, that boy good. Well, it's the next day. Yeah, no flip-flops while I'm working. We're gonna fix this thing right. Fuel line and the correct fuel filter. That's what the correct fuel filter looks like. This is one of them Chinesium ones, so I'm gonna put a new fuel line on from the fuel filter over to the tank, and we're gonna eliminate that valve. So I was editing this video and then happened to look, and guess what I saw this morning? Taryl Fixes All. He just put out a short video on this very same problem this morning. And I just filmed this yesterday. Is he in South Carolina spying on T-Bone? I don't know. Let me get this line on and I'll be back with you. Well, something else I didn't mention earlier was about the reason they put these shutoff valves on these things. You don't really need it in this situation at all because the fuel's not going to run out anywhere. Where you need one is on a gravity feed situation to where your tank is sitting up way higher than the carburetor. And the reason is sometimes the needle and seat will start leaking in the carburetor, and you want that shutoff valve to shut it off. And it also helps changing your fuel filters and stuff. What's that look like? Yeah, right about there. perfect. So anyway, just thought I'd clarify that. And the other thing was, I think, now this is my opinion, y'all leave it down in the comments, tell me what you think. I think when the guy ran out of gas, there was still air in the line, and maybe he just didn't crank it over long enough usually to run out of gas. Pull your choke up and crank, and to get the fuel back, because you got to go from down in here to the tank all the way back up to that carburetor and fill the carburetor bowl. So let's see if it's going to run today. Choke, throttle down. Thing's running way too fast. I don't know what's up with that carburetor he put on. I might take a look at that too. Y'all click that subscribe button. I'm T-Bone. This is Really Small Engines. Share these videos with your friends. We'll see you soon.
T-Bone's black, red, and black. Hat on head, hair down his back. Fixing mowers, cash in hand.